Hello good people, welcome to Crane Food Service Solutions. I'm Chef Robbie Hooker. Today we're going to be talking about the Power Soak sink. It's a 3-base sink with a wash sink that has a agitated motor. Then we have our rinse sink, and then we have our sanitizing sink. When setting up our Power Soak sink for operation, we'll want to make sure and fill the cleaning bay with hot water around 114, no hotter than 123 degrees. If it's hotter than 123 degrees, it will not work. You have to drain the sink all over and start it all over again. Then we'll have our rinse sink with nice warm water, and then our sanitizing sink with cool water. Since it is a quart sanitizer, hot water will kill that, okay? So what we want to do is make sure that when you fill up the sanitizing sink, it fills up to the sensor on the side. Once the cold water fills up to the sensor, it will automatically start to dispense the sanitizing solution. With the cleaning bay, you'll need to fill the water above the sensor. There's 2 fill lines, either the bottom one or the top one or anywhere in between, but it has to come over that sensor. Now when we press the start, the unit will turn on and automatically start dispensing the detergent into the Power Soak cleaning sink. In the Power Soak cleaning bay, we can put sheet pans in the sheet pan rack, which are also removable. We can also add hotel pans, mixing bowls. The utensil bin, we can add things like tongs, spatulas, spoons, anything except for glass and knives. Once you pull them out of the cleaning bay, rinse and sanitize. The Power Soak cleaning bay has a 4-hour running time. Once it's ran for 4 hours, it will shut off automatically. It must be drained, cleaned, refilled with clean water and cleaning detergent, and restarted once again. The sanitizing bay has a 2-hour lifespan. Once the 2-hour lifespan is up, red blinking light will flash. Then you must empty the sanitizing solution and refill with clean water and fresh sanitizer. Thank you, and if you have any other questions, please reach out to your Crane rep. Take care.